Good afternoon. For professional repair of gearboxes and transmissions today, it is not enough to have a smart head and strong hands. Professional level lifting devices, such as hydraulic transmission racks, are necessary. Let's talk about a specific model today. Hydraulic transmission rack, manufacturer NORDBERG model 3406. With a weight of only 32 kilograms, the rack is capable of lifting a weight of 500 kilograms, which is quite enough for a car service that specializes in the repair of passenger cars. The rack is quite mobile due to its maneuverability. It has a wide base, which has 4 horizontal supports. At the ends of the supports are steel reliable wheels, with which the rack can be safely moved around the service station. The minimum lifting height at the hydraulic rack is 1075 mm. The maximum height is 1890 mm. To such a height, the rapid ascent is carried out due to the hydraulic pedal drive. Maximum freedom and convenience in work. A person working with a car has free hands, which is certainly a definite advantage. As always, and most importantly about security, the NORDBERG rack is equipped with an overload control valve, which is triggered if the weight of the lifted block or unit is greater than the maximum possible for this rack. Lowering occurs due to the handle, which relieves pressure in the hydraulic transmission rack. Fast and convenient. The jack has convenient handles for moving around the workshop, car repair shop. On each transmission rack there is a universal 4-stop nozzle, which, by the way, can always be replaced with another, depending on what kind of work and with what parts you are working. The use of hydraulic racks from the manufacturer NORDBERG both in a specialized car service and in the garage itself will greatly increase productivity and reduce the time spent by craftsmen on car repairs. Good luck to you in your work and see you again.